Great to have you here. Before we go on, I'd like to thank you all for coming out tonight, and I don't know if we'll have enough energy or time in the second set to introduce the band, so I'll do it real quickly. Over on the far right is the famous and fabulous Gary Charlson.
Gary Charlson! Yay!
Behind Gary playing keyboards is the fabulous Paul Roberts. Right here with the ball cap is the newest addition, Jason Kane.
Hey, Jason, remember the name.
We like Jason. Next to Jason is our old friend John Bransgard on second guitar. Back on drums is my childhood friend and still best friend, Gary Butler.
Hi, guys.
On my left is the best guitar player I've ever played with, and I played with a few good ones, Steve Davis. Thank you, Steve. And right here on lead vocals, I can't tell you the whole story, but
One at a time.
Jordan Smith on lead vocals. He's fabulous.
Yes.
Yay, Jordan!
And of course we have Larry Kips right there, one of my best friends, if not my best friend. Yeah.
Thank you all so
And if
much.
everybody knows me, myself, Larry Kips, and Gary Butler, the original members of Liverpool, the Beatles tribute band. So that's how this all came about.
And the three of us, along with the fellow in the end, Gary Charlson, started playing music together in 1983 with the band called the Crayons, and we're still playing. So that's it.
Amazing.
That's it.
Have you heard them? No, I've never heard them.
You should look them up.
Tell me that you got everything you want, and your bird can sing, but you don't get me. You don't get me. You say you've seen 7-1, and your bird can scream, but you can't hear me. You can't hear me. When your prized possessions start to weigh you down, look in my direction. I'll be round, I'll be round. When your heart is broken, will it bring you down? You may be awoken. I'll be round, I'll be round. Tell me that you have every sound there is, and your God can swing. You can hear me. You can hear
Steve and John on those leads.
Gary Charlson. Gary Charlson.